Bullish, Shiba Inu whale buys 3.48 trillion SHIB. Would you support us by subscribing to our Crypto Money News YouTube channel that we have pinned to comments for more videos? A new Shiba Inu whale has appeared with a massive 3.48 trillion SHIB purchase, and becomes the 29th biggest Shiba Inu holder. This recent purchase showcases the growing interest of crypto whales on SHIB after the Shibarium beta testnet, PuppyNet launch. According to a report by Bitcoin World, PuppyNet fueled unprecedented growth in the Shiba Inu network, evidenced by the exploding number of new wallets and transactions. New whale bought SHIB worth $40.24 million in a single transaction according to recent data from etherscan.io. A new whale bought 3,484,812,794,902.91 Shiba Inu tokens worth $40.24 million in one transaction. The whale only holds SHIB tokens in their wallet and is currently the 29th highest Shiba Inu holder. Apart from the new investor, another SHIB whale ranked the 19th largest SHIB buyer, accumulated 171,680,526,401 SHIB worth $1,885,051 in 4 different transactions. The whale amassed these large tokens on April 13, making it 3,656,493,321,303 accumulated by 2 whales within 5 days. These accumulations followed an announcement that the Shiba Inu team intends to launch a crypto portal in addition to the updated ShibaSwap. The portal will offer a venue for news, data, graphs, trends, and other community-related material. Interest in Shiba Inu spikes with continuous development. PuppyNet's most recent data shows that in the last 24 hours alone, new wallet addresses have joined the network, increasing the total number of addresses to 10,674,798. A notable rise over the previous 2 days. Additionally, with an average block time of approximately 7.6 seconds, the PuppyNet network has already processed 3,292,323 transactions. Gas prices on the network are currently 1.01 gwei, making transactions accessible to users. Another notable development is that Shiba Inu project leader Satoshi Kusama pointed out the arrival of ShibaSwap 2.0 in a Telegram message, writing, "Ignore anything that says otherwise." During the same session, Kusama shared his happiness with the advancements achieved on the beta version of Shibarium, PuppyNet. He did stress that SHIB still has a long way to go. Although specifics of ShibaSwap 2.0 are not yet out, the community anticipates several improvements and innovations. These could include increased token support, quicker transaction times, and better security safeguards. Shiba Inu's position in the rapidly expanding DeFi market is anticipated to be further cemented with the upcoming ShibaSwap 2.0 upgrade. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is trading at $0.000011, with a trading volume of 330,743,311 and a total market capitalization of $6,824,751,960. The token is currently trading in the red zone, declining by 0.61%. This is commendable given that the global market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are down by 1.05%, 2.15%, and 0.48% in 24 hours. Do Kwon hired South Korean law firm just before Terra's $40 billion crash. Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon retained a South Korean law firm shortly before his crypto company collapsed in May. Kwon paid local firm Kim and Chang $9 billion $7 million, leading up to Terra's astronomical crash. Bloomberg and local media house KBS News. South Korean and US governments have requested extradition after the fugitive founder was arrested in Montenegro with fake travel documents. Fugitive founder Do Kwon paid $9 billion $7 million to a South Korean law firm with part of the funds transferred shortly before Terraform Labs, Kwon's crypto business, imploded around mid-2022. The news was reported by Bloomberg and local media house KBS News, citing notes from prosecutors. Kim and Chang, the law firm Kwon retained, also told Bloomberg that the news isn't false. The law firm refrained from sharing details of the dealings, with Kwon claiming to be unable to provide specifics on individual cases. "We have conducted our legal advisory services as usual and have legitimately received the fee for the services." Kim and Chang to Bloomberg. Kim and Chang received $9 billion $7 million from Kwon, per reports. Part of this supposed legal fee was transferred to the legal firm leading up to Terra's massive collapse in May 2022. which rocked the broader crypto ecosystem and triggered significant dips in asset prices. Terraform Labs crashed following turbulence with Terra Luna, and Terra UST, the sister tokens designed by Do Kwon. Terra's crash triggered a domino effect, as other centralized finance players in the crypto space like Three Arrows Capital had exposure to Luna's and USD's ecosystem. When Do Kwon extradition? Do Kwon's whereabouts became a hot topic following the spectacular crash of his crypto venture last year. After failing to appear before the South Korean Congress to testify about Terra's crash, local authorities moved to invalidate Do Kwon's passport. Interpol also issued a red notice for his arrest. The Terra boss was arrested in Montenegro while trying to leave the country using falsified travel documents at a Podgorica airport. Governments from the US and South Korea have both requested extradition. Local authorities are also on the hunt for Do Kwon's suspected $69 million fortune. Prosecutors said they found none of Kwon's assets in the country. Terra CEO Do Kwon sent $7 million to Kim and Chang before the ecosystem collapsed, prosecutors confirmed. Kim and Chang was also the legal representative of Oxy in the infamous toxic humidifier disinfectant case. Over 200,000 Terra Luna investors still await compensation. In a shocking revelation, South Korean prosecutors have confirmed that Terraform Labs CEO, Do Kwon sent $7 million to a top South Korean law firm, Kim and Chang, just before the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. As reported by KBS News, prosecutors claim this decision indicates Kwon's awareness of the impending collapse and anticipated legal problems. In a shocking twist, it has been revealed that Kim and Chang was also the legal representative of Oxy in the infamous humidifier disinfectant case, according to the same KBS report. The law firm received $9.5 billion, $7.2 million, from Oxy over 4 years, raising concerns about potential conflicts of interest and ethical violations. Prosecutors are reportedly investigating whether Kwon's decision to send billions to the law firm was a deliberate move to siphon off criminal proceeds under the guise of legal representation. The prosecution believes that even the money already remitted to Kim and Chang can be collected and preserved if proven true. Meanwhile, it is estimated that around 200,000 people who bought Terra Luna before and after the crash have lost money, and Kwon has yet to compensate them a single penny. As the investigation continues, many eagerly await further details about the scandal and its potential fallout. The story has already sent shockwaves throughout the financial community, and it remains to be seen what impact it will have in the broader cryptocurrency industry. Kwon was previously detained at the airport in Podgorica, Montenegro, after attempting to board a flight to Dubai using forged credentials. American and South Korean officials have requested Kwon's extradition since his detention. The court has not made a decision, however. Bitcoin price dips below $29,500, here's why. After hitting an annual high of $30,975 last Friday, the Bitcoin price is under pressure today and has fallen below $29,500 for the first time in a week. At the time of writing, BTC's low was at $29,410. The decline comes as a surprise in that the market is actually in a bullish vacuum at the moment. Last week, both the Consumer Price Index, CPI, and Producer Price Index, PPI, were a significant positive surprise, propelling the Bitcoin price to its new yearly high. In the next 2 weeks, there is no major macro data coming up that is likely to move the Bitcoin price heavily. Only on May 3rd, this will change, when the next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, of the US Federal Reserve is about to take place. Thus, one can currently speak of a bullish vacuum. So why is the price falling today? Why is the Bitcoin price falling today? The current movement of Bitcoin price can be considered as a technical correction. As analyst Ali Martinez writes, the resistance area between $30,270 to $32,150 has established itself as a tough hurdle for BTC. Around 770,000 BTC were bought from 360,000 addresses in this area. Support for Bitcoin is provided by the area between $29,330 and $30,200, where 700,000 addresses bought around 390,000 BTC. Be cautious. If this level breaks, the next key support is at $27,600 to $28,450, Martinez warns. Meanwhile, analyst at Exit Pump has pinpointed a reason for the current movement. BTC spot dumping their coins, unusual big sell delta from Bitfinex. Walk price down and nuke it, perfect, writes the analyst. He also shared the chart below, which shows that greater selling pressure is also coming from Binance, while the pressure from Coinbase is comparatively low. A similar analysis is also shared by at 52K SHIB. According to him, there is a spot-driven sell-off from the day opening, while there was a clean divergence between spot selling the bounce early and perps longing into the bounce. A look at liquidation data from CoinGlass shows that about $56.57 million in BTC longs were liquidated, supporting the thesis of a technical analysis. Meanwhile, technical analyst Michael van der Poppy notes that he was expecting this scenario in which BTC completes a rest of the $29,200 level. He shared the chart below and expressed, "There's the sweep of Bitcoin. Now, reclaim $29.8 thousand would trigger upwards continuation." Altcoins are not feeling the pain yet, as they are consolidating or rallying up in the $BTC pair. At press time, the Bitcoin price stood at $29,512.